Greetings and welcome to my channel. I will guide you through the seamless process of ordering your Starlink internet service online. Whether you're in a remote location or simply seeking a more reliable internet connection, Starlink offers a cutting-edge solution. We'll walk through each step of the ordering process, ensuring you have all the information you need for a successful setup. Additionally, I'll provide expert tips to optimize your Starlink experience. Join me as we explore how to connect with the world in a whole new way. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. What is Starlink? Starlink is a satellite internet service created by SpaceX. It aims to provide high-speed, low-latency internet access globally, especially in remote and underserved areas. The system uses a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites to deliver internet signals to user terminals on the ground. Key points: high-speed internet typically offers 50 to 150 megabits per second. Low latency, around 20 to 40 milliseconds. Global coverage, designed to reach remote and underserved regions. User-friendly setup, easy installation with a Starlink dish. In essence, Starlink is revolutionizing internet connectivity by bringing reliable service to places that traditional providers often overlook. Full key points: how it works. Satellite constellation. Starlink consists of thousands of small satellites orbiting the Earth at low altitudes, around 550 kilometers or 340 miles. Ground stations. These satellites communicate with ground stations on Earth to deliver internet service. User terminals. Customers receive internet signals through a dish antenna, also known as a Starlink terminal, that they install at their location. Key features: high-speed internet. Starlink offers download speeds typically ranging from 50 megabits per second to 150 megabits per second, with some users experiencing even higher speeds. Low latency. Starlink provides low-latency internet service, with typical latency around 20 to 40 milliseconds, making it suitable for real-time applications like online gaming and video conferencing. Global coverage. By deploying a large number of satellites, Starlink aims to provide internet access to remote and underserved regions where traditional broadband options are unavailable or limited. Benefits: connectivity for remote areas. Starlink can bring reliable internet access to rural and remote locations, improving communication, education, and economic opportunities. Disaster response. Starlink's rapid deployment capability makes it useful for providing emergency internet service in disaster-stricken areas. Future plans. Expanding coverage. SpaceX is continuously launching more satellites to expand and improve Starlink's coverage and capacity. Innovation. Future updates and advancements aim to enhance the performance and reliability of the service. Starlink is revolutionizing internet connectivity by bringing high-speed access to areas that have long been neglected by traditional internet service providers.